In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping and handling charges to your Jotform. Whether you're running an online store or managing orders manually, having a seamless way to include these charges is essential for maintaining transparent pricing for customers. Let's dive in and explore the process so that you can get everything set up in no time. First, make sure you're logged into your Jotform account. Once you're in, go ahead and open the form you'd like to edit. This is where you'll integrate your payment processor. Adding a payment integration is key to collecting payments directly through the form. Head over to the Add Form Elements section and click on Payments. Here, you're going to select the payment processor you prefer, like PayPal, Stripe, or Square, and connect it to your account. This integration will enable transactions to take place smoothly. Now that your form is set up with a payment processor, let's move on to enabling shipping options. Click on the Payment field within your form to access its settings. You'll notice a wand icon. That's the entry to the payment settings. Click it and then navigate to the Shipping tab. This section allows you to customize how you charge for shipping. You have a few options available here. You can opt for flat rate shipping, which assigns a single fee for the entire order, making it simple and straightforward. Alternatively, if you prefer a bit more flexibility, choosing per product shipping allows you to set specific shipping costs for each item, providing precision in pricing. For instances where customers buy multiple items, per quantity shipping can be useful, as it allows you to charge incrementally more as quantity increases. Next, let's discuss adding handling charges. Although Jotform doesn't have a distinct handling option, you can include this charge in a couple of clever ways. One approach is simply to incorporate your handling fee into the shipping amount, effectively merging them into a single fee. Another option is to create a separate product within your form that represents the handling fee. You can label it as handling fee and set it as a required item, ensuring it's always added when someone places an order. This tactic allows you to clearly delineate the handling charge from the shipping cost, giving your customers clarity regarding what each component of their purchase involves. And there you have it, a straightforward process to add shipping and handling charges to your Jotform. By following these steps, you ensure your customers have a clear understanding of charges involved in their purchase, which can foster trust and lead to more successful transactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.